Hello friends, how are you today? Welcome to another refrigeration and HVAC mechanic red seal license exam reviewer. And today's topic is the total voltage in a series circuit. So we have a problem here. If you have a problem, we have a solution. And problem is circuit has 4 resistors or loads in series. The voltage across the first resistor is 60 volts, the second is 30, third 15, the fourth is 7.5. Calculate the total voltage of the circuit. So this is a series circuit. So we check our givens. We have 4 resistors in series. And the voltage in those resistors is 60 volt in the first one, 30 volt second, 15 and 7.5 volts. So they all have different voltages across those 4 resistors, and they are connected in series. So we are told to calculate the total voltage. Before we go to the solution, I would like to invite you to subscribe, like and share. Please subscribe to my channel, like it, share it. It takes seconds for you, but it's really a big deal to me because it shows your support to myself and to my channel. Okay, thank you. And here's the solution. For series circuit, we need to remember 3 things. In a series circuit for resistors, the total current is always the same. It's constant. Total current in resistor 1, total current in resistor 2, total current in resistor 3 and 4. They're all the same since connection is in series. However, for the resistances, the total resistance is the sum of all the individual resistances. R total equals R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4. And the voltage total is also the sum of the individual voltages in the series circuit. So we have V total equals V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus V4. So now we are told to calculate for the total voltage. So this is a direct substitution. We just substitute the given values. We have V total equals 60 plus 30 plus 15 plus 7.5, and we get the voltage total 112.5 volts. And there you have it. Pretty straightforward for the series circuit. Just add the voltages and we get the voltage total. Okay, there you have it. Hope you like the video, and I hope I have helped you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to my channel. Would really appreciate it. And cheers. Take care. Have a good one.